Hi there. If you're getting this email with this help video, that means it looks like you could use a little bit of help here in my quarter 2 class. I'm on my section A PE class page, but this information will also be good for the section B PE class with just a couple of slight tweaks. I'll show you where. First thing I want you to do is just check your grade. So click on this grades tab. Now, if you're in the section A class, then from the top to the bottom, you're going to have units 1 all the way down to unit 6 was last week, zeroed out, or you will have your grade showing for these items here. We've also got, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this gradebook page, you'll see that we do have some other things. Star 360, even though you don't take that in PE, you still get credit for that in PE, just like all your other classes. Live session attendance, you do get credit, or you miss out on credit if you don't attend your live sessions with me. You've got the class orientation, the mid-quarter check for understanding assessment. There's links to all of this stuff right here, guys. As well as if you scroll up, you're going to see links to all the assignments that have been due so far. Currently in Unit 7 for the PEA class. Now, if you're in PEB, the only difference is the numbers here. So you're going to have Unit 16 is this week, so that's what we're working on right now. And then everything from Unit 15 on back is going to be what is due so far for you and what is linked directly here. If you see any zeros, that's most likely an overdue assignment. So if you see any zeros, you can just click on the links next to them and just launch that assignment. You can also find all of your work for either class in the content tab. So you click this, get to this page, and then on the left, you're going to have all your units. And if you select a unit, like let's say you're missing the first quiz from week 4, you click on the unit on the left, the info populates on the right, and you could click on your quiz here. And I'm in my teacher view here, so I won't be able to see the button that's right about here. It should say Start Quiz. Just click that and launch the quiz. Catching up is really that easy if you have been doing your exercise on your own. That is the hugely important part, and that's the main reason why I'm sending this out in advance of the winter break. If you have not been exercising, you can't just go in here and click these quizzes and turn in your journals and bring your grade up. What you have to do is exercise for at least 30 minutes on your own for each school day that you've missed your exercise on. Once you've done that, let's say you had to make up an entire week. You would do 5 30-minute exercise sessions. You would then go in and finish those daily quizzes for those 5 school days, and then you would also fill out your weekly activity journal and turn it in for that school week. If you need help individually on those things, so let's say you need help with the daily quizzes, help videos news item, daily quiz help. You click this, it'll launch the YouTube video for the daily quiz help. If you need help on the weekly activity journal, this is a slightly longer video because there's more to it. I click that, launches this, and it will walk you through the weekly activity journal process. But if you have questions, you need to be reaching out. Last day before winter break is this Thursday. So that's, if you're looking at this the day I'm sending this video out, that's going to be tomorrow. So that's Thursday, December 20th is the last school day before winter break. We come back January 7th. So if you're way behind, use this time to catch up. Do your exercise, account for it with your daily quizzes for that any days you've missed, and then your weekly activity journals. If you have questions, please reach out as soon as possible.